So we've just got the fur ends up here. So as you can see, these are special bits that you buy. You can make them, it's just easier just to buy them off the shelf and that. So it falls from 75mm at the front down to nothing at the back. So you can see that's graded down to nothing, which gives us the fall. So obviously as the rain hits, obviously naturally falls to the back, and then the guttering to go on at the back to catch all the water. So at the front there, obviously where they're 75mm, I start screwing them at the front there because I've only got 90mm nails in my gun. So, and then when I know that a 90mm nail is good again, then I can start nailing them. But yeah, generally got to screw the front. You can spike through the sides, but obviously you're probably going to come out the side in here. So again, if that's all on show, you don't really want that coming through the side. If you forget these, you're not getting your water off your roof. You can see where these ones are a bit longer. They come in two halves, so they're taped together. And then you've got your other half that was taped to it, so you just bring that into it now. Nail that on. See, there's a very slight discrepancy where they've got their blades width, obviously when they're cutting them. So you always do get a little bit of that in the fur ends, unfortunately. So just put them all on first and then just go along and cut that little bit off after. That's it. So start from that end, because obviously imagine if, on these, if one started like there and the other one started a little bit further back, that fall isn't going to be the same with each other all the way through. So you need to pick a nice point to go from, which obviously for us is out the front. And we've got a nice straight timber through there. And then yeah, cut them off after, and that is your fall.